Hello everyone, I am Dr. Vikas Khare. This is lecture 11 of data analysis series. Today we will discuss the basic concept of determining probability in a uniform distribution. In the last class, last lecture, lecture 10, we already discussed the basic concept of uniform distribution. So in our last lecture, we discussed uniform distribution is a continuous distribution which is given by one of the rectangular or rectangle which is defined by a point A and B. So in that case, the area of rectangular is defined by length into height. So in that case, length is given by B minus A and height is given by 1 upon B minus A. So in that case, area is equal to 1. So in this class, we identify probability या possibility of probability in a uniform distribution. So in continuous distribution, probabilities are calculated by determining the area under the curve over an interval. So in the case of determining probabilities in a uniform distribution, in continuous distribution, probabilities are calculated by determining the area under the curve over an interval. So in that case, the probability of uniform distribution Px is equal to x2 minus x1 divided by b minus a. So now we understand with the help of a diagram of uniform distribution this one is the area of rectangular. Then we identify or given some value of A and B. So in this case, the value of A is given by 20 and value of B is given by 60. Now, area under the curve. So the some point which is related to the area under the curve, which is point out in this way. So now the value of x1 and x2. So now we define the value of area under the curve in terms of 30 and 50. We already defined the probability is given by x2 minus x1 divided by b minus a. So in that case, the value of b is equal to 60. Value of a is equal to 20. Area under the curve, that's why x2 is equal to 50 and x1 is equal to 30. So now the value of px is equal x2 minus x1, that's why 50 minus 30 divided by b minus a, that's by 60 minus 20. So the px is equal 20 divided by 40, that's value is 0.5. So this is the way to how to measure the uniform distribution or the probability in the case of uniform distribution. So the given formula of probability px is equal to the x2 minus x1 upon b minus a. So the value of b is 60, a equal to 20, x2 is equal to 50 and x1 is equal to 30. So that's why we consider px is equal to the 0.5. So this is the basic method to find out the probabilities in a uniform distribution.